So, yeah. Mm.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay, that's fine. Yesterday's recording, right? I'm not sure it's trying to convert. Okay. It will be done by 6%. Once it is completed, then I will send out to you. Okay.
Okay, no problem. Yeah.
I'll share it to Harsha. I'm not sure how to share it here. I mean, this is the drive. Okay.
Again,
I'll try to
again, you
share
have to
it.
ask.
Fine.
Okay.
So, what will happen? So, problem, no, but see, the more and more question you ask, then people think that, okay, why is she asking or why is he asking? Like, why is he scrutinizing? So,
Harsha, you're speaking with me, or else I'm not getting that. Uma, look like Harsha is speaking. I'm not sure he's speaking with us or others. Okay.
Okay. I'm not hearing anything from Harsha side.
No. Some background noise. I'm not sure that is from your side or Harsha side.
Maybe.
Okay. Let will start. Okay. Then
Yeah.
we have to start.
Yeah. Maybe
Now
my husband
yesterday.
is.
Okay. No issues.
Actually, yeah.
Okay. I mean, did you practice anything or else you need any help? Okay.
Yeah. I mean, actually, yesterday morning class I have done, and I started writing test. What is it? Step definition, but not completed. I will do it together.
Okay.
Today's class and next class I'll do it.
Okay. No issues.
Yeah.
See, I'm doing some conversion here. I mean, whatever the recording we did right yesterday, the
Yeah.
same
Yeah.
recording I'm trying to record. I'm now trying to convert. When this is completed, then I'll share it with you as well. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
not
I have noted down the
about.
things when you are explaining me. I have noted down the things according the what I'm having. I have written the script. Yeah.
Okay.
I'll cross check everything again.
Yeah. That's fine.
Mm.
Now, the second what we left yesterday, right? I mean, this is the registrations.
Yeah.
In this one, and we have to implement remaining all the steps. Getting my
Yes.
point?
First name, last name. Yeah.
Now, here user enter first name something else. Okay, what I will do first, I'll run in. Okay, from there we'll start.
Yeah.
Or else see in that com.bd here. Let me try one more thing. Here we can put instead of slash the package name also we can put. Okay,
Okay.
either it will go there.
Okay.
Let me run it whether it will come or not. From there I can
Okay.
inspect and I can go ahead.
Okay.
It's running now.
Mm.
It's clicked on something. Okay,
Mm.
the registration. We'll see that.
Sign up.
Yes, sign
Mm.
up, right? Sign
Yeah,
up
it's
for
working.
registration.
Mm.
It's now what we need to do. We need to fulfill this. And if you observe for each and everything, some assertion error. I don't know where we put the assertion. Okay, let me see. It is having some issue. First point. Okay.
Yeah. 6 skip. Yes.
See, line number 50. I'm getting my point. User should land on profile page. Something like that. Assert true. Driver not get title contents. Register a profile. We'll see that. Register a profile. It's already there, but not why it is failing. If it is something failing, then we can have a, like, how can I say, like a waiting time, something like that we can put.
Okay.
Okay. Or else before that, what we can put, implicit wait we can put. Driver dot. Okay. Driver dot manage. Okay. Here, timeout dot implicit wait of, I can give max 30 seconds. Okay. And then time unit dot seconds. Okay. It shouldn't, in some cases when it will fail, right? I mean, whenever the network is slow, that time it will be failed. Okay. Now we are trying to cover that one. Getting my point? Now, see. Let me run it again. Okay. It will help you. Now, anyway, you are able to see, right? I mean, instead of slashes, we can give the like package name as well. Post. Okay. Okay, it's reached. Okay. I'm not sure. Maybe my network is slow or something else. Still it is loading, but it's still it is failing the same pace. Okay.
It's from line.
Getting my point.
Yeah.
I will not get title contents. So what I'm going to do now, I'll comment it. As of now, I'm commenting the reason, right? I mean, still it is loading. Okay. If we are following the same thing, it will be difficult for us to complete it. Okay. Because maybe the network issue. We'll see that later. Okay.
Okay.
Now, see what is the next step? We have to fulfill this. Okay. User center last name, like that.
Yes.
Now, what we can do that? Let's say, for example, first of all, I need to get expert that we already know.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
This input is this is the input. Where is ID? ID is text name. Getting my point, right?
Yes.
Okay. / input. / input at ID equal to single quotes or double quotes. It's game.
Yeah.
Okay. Driver dot
find the
by dot, okay, like X path of something. Then we need to like send keys. Okay, these send keys as of now, I will do, I will hard code and I'll pass it somewhere. Okay.
Okay.
I'll tell that next step. Okay. Okay, the same way, let me copy paste. This we already know, right? Middle name or something. This one is clear. Now let me change the Xbox one by one. Okay, here where is ID?
Yeah, text name. ID equal text name. 5th line.
Okay, so what I can do here also, instead of F, I can put M, right?
Yeah.
Here also, if I go ahead by L, it will
Last
be
name.
last name.
Yeah. Last name is top
Okay.
one. No. Last name is top one. On the top.
One sec. I did a mistake here. See, this is the first name. This is the middle name. Okay, we changed something order. Okay, sorry. Here, L name. Okay. This one is password.
No, Subbu garu.
No. See,
First name, second is middle name.
First name. This one is middle name.
And next
this
is
one is
last
name.
Yes.
This one is email, right?
Yes, we need to get
email address, right? What is the ID here? Input ID
text
email. So here directly I can change it, right? Email address. You got my point, right? Why I'm doing?
Yeah.
Okay. Next one, password. Create your password. Where is the ID?
Password is the ID. Yeah.
Password is the ID. Okay, let it be. Now at the end we have to click some this continue button.
Continue.
ID, it is a button, right? You getting my point? Now, the first name is something, the middle name is something I'm giving. Okay. Now this is clear. Okay. You're able to understand, right? What we did? Let me go ahead and run it. Whether it will fulfill or not. Maybe network is look like very slow.
Maybe.
No, this page itself load very slow. The reason, right? It's like Western Union, right? They're maintaining like anything for the thing. Okay. Invalid password. Something else. I mean, password is invalid. See, don't include your name. Okay, okay.
Email is.
Name should not. Okay. No issue. Now, if you observe here, okay, clearly because of the pretty and because of the monochrome, here these things, whatever the scenarios we did, whatever the step definitions are there. Let's say, for example, this is the file, this is the step. For this one, this is the method it will call. Getting my point? This is and this it will call. Because of this monochrome and pretty is giving like this. Getting my point?
Yes,
Now, if you observe J unit, right, everything should be paused. Okay. Any question here? No, right?
No.
Now, the next thing is what we need to understand here. Okay, how to pass the test data without hard coding. Means how to pass the test data from other. I mean, let's say for example, here we are what we are doing. We are hard coding something. I don't want to be in that situation. I have to be like pass it in somewhere. Let me make the change. See here, instead of scenario, we have to make this as the scenario outline. That is the first step what we need to do. Getting my point?
Okay.
Scenario outline. Getting my point? Scenario outline. Then see here where and all you required until unless this one there is no test data is required, hence I'm copy pasting this one. Next one, see whenever we have scenario outline, we need examples. I told you, right? What is the example?
Values.
Examples. Let me create one ABC feature. From there I can copy. Okay. See here how the examples will come. This one we have to. Okay. Now the second point is, see up to this one no problem. Here user enters first name. You got my point, right? Here user enters first name as within bracket. I'm going to put the same first name here. See, whenever the user enters the first name as first name, this is the parameter in the first name field. Getting my point? The same way, whenever we had something, right, the name has to be changed. Getting my point? Let me delete one row. Any question here?
No, clear.
No, right? Now the middle name, let me copy and paste it here. I want to change something. User enters like middle name as one space here as the middle here name is missing. Middle name, and I have to paste it the same middle name here. And the second here we need to give as the middle name. Hope this is clear.
Yes.
Now same way last name. Okay, what I'll do? Enters last name. Okay, enters last name as last name in the last name field. The same way we have to give here as the last name. Getting my point? Now, email address. This is how we need to pass the parameterization or test data passing. Okay, here email address. Let it be. It should be a both are separate. Okay, that's not the problem. As okay, here email address. See, it shouldn't be like how can I say? We should not put any space here. That is not a
Okay.
good idea. So it
Okay.
is not the that is not the good option.
Mm.
Then see user click on the continue button. Now for this and all, no need to change anything. How many
No,
times
we had
password
to
is
add password.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. See here user enters the password. Okay.
Mm.
As I will tell you why I put as the password in the sense whatever the data here we are passing, this will be map and this will be display inside the console as the meaningful message.
Okay.
Here. When the test data, whatever the test data we are passing, right? That will come here and it will display. So we should be in a meaningful message. Now let's say for example, now last name. After last name, here we need to add the middle name, sorry, email address. Again, one more pipe symbol, we add the password. And pipe symbol has to be closed at the end. Now, let's say for example, this is what I want. Now I can remove this one, there is no issue. Getting my point?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I don't want to use that because we already clear, hence I'm trying to remove this. Now
Okay.
I want to understand something. Okay, let's say for example, Control Shift F. If I press, it's not coming. The reason, right? Something is here, something is here. We are not giving all the test data. So first name is, let's give Anil. Okay, the middle name is Kumar. Okay, Gowda. Last name. Okay, last name, email address, anil@gmail.com / some other password. Okay, like we are close. Now, Control Shift F. Now, if you observe everything in a correct way, you're getting my point?
Yeah.
Now, I don't want to be how this abc.reach. Let me delete it. Now everything is clear, but we made some changes here. You're observing that, right? But we made some changes here in the steps. What I told, whenever we change any steps, it should be affect or else it will say like a missing steps. Let me run. You can see the difference. Getting my point?
Okay.
It will run something and finally it will say like missing steps. I mean, from the first name and last name, right? It will give the some missing steps. I'll tell the reason why. We added space to some as or something else, right? Because of that reason only it will fail. It will say
Okay.
missing steps. We'll see. Here, right? For they'll give more security. It's a money transfer, right? That's why many things are happening in this one. Whenever we open a page, okay, behind the scene, many security concerns will be loaded. Let it be loaded.
Great.
Now it stopped. Then whenever we say right, it will say some missing steps. I told you, right?
Yes.
See, whenever you change anything, then it will be missing steps. Let me go ahead and open. Okay, now we'll see one by one. Now see, then the user enters the first name as Anil. You're getting a point, right? From there
Yes.
it is reading. Here, Kumar, Gowda. But let's say, for example, if it is Anil, it will work. This is good. If it is not Anil, if you change something, it will be a bigger problem for us again. Getting my point?
Okay.
So what we can do that? Okay, what we can do then? Just copy this line. Okay, first point. Copy this line and go to this step definition. Here, this is the step definition, right? Okay, first point. Just paste it. And within this after run, whatever the data is there, again copy and paste it into this thing within double quotes. Getting my point?
Okay.
First point.
Okay.
Okay, after that, there is something is there, right? This one.
Yes.
That parameterization. For that parameterization, what we have to do, just remove it, open braces, parenthesis, close parenthesis, dot, and we can put star. Getting my point? This is called as the regular expression. And whenever we are passing some data from the, how can I say, from test data, I mean the feature file to here, it will map it here. Whatever the first data, let's say for example, first name we are giving now Anil, tomorrow Suku, after that Uma, it will be catch and it will found. Getting my point?
Okay.
Then whenever we add this parameterization, you should be like add here one more thing called as the one parameter string username or string what is the here first name. First name only we are passing, right?
Yes.
Sorry. Okay. Where it is. First name only we are passing, hence, and instead of first name, I mean send key is hard coding here, then directly we have to remove it.
First name, yeah.
Then what will happen? See, whatever the value we are passing here as the first name, it will map to here, and this step will be mapped to this one where the star dot something is there, right? This will map to whatever data we are passing here, the runtime, and it will, whenever we added this dot star, it's a regular expression, it has to be segregated by using this one. From here we have to pass this one. Hope this is clear. This is how we need to pass the data from one level to next level. So one thing is one. Now let me remove it. If I run it again, see, now let me show you some difference. See here, the user enters first name as, here Anil is came. Instead of Anil, what we put? This one. If we put this one, what will happen? Not only Anil, not only Sunil, everything it will take. Getting my point? The same way, if you observe here, public void user enters first name as Anil. Again, it's giving the name. Getting my point? Here, if you go ahead and check that here, there is nothing is there in the first name. Okay, we don't want to give this one first name. Like this, we can put. Getting my point? Because name will be changed. Test data shouldn't be a C. Then whenever we pass this one as the asterisk, then we have to give this one as the one parameterization. Means how many times we are database data, that much number of things has to be clear, has to be done here. Then only it will be good. Or else it will say something parameterization missing, or else many errors will come. That we have to think before doing something whether we are in a good or not, we are in a good position or not. That we need to think. Okay.
Okay.
Now this is how we need to check. Now these two things are good. These two things are most and now most identical equal. But only here it will allow only Anil. Here it will take anything. No issues. Okay. Now the second way, one thing is covered. Remaining 4 times we have to do it. Getting my point?
Yes.
Now again go ahead and copy this one, the middle name. Now steps. What is the middle name here? Just paste it. Okay. After pasting, after and is there, right? Just copy the same thing from there to here. Okay, then remove this one with parenthesis dot star without any space under it. We should not put any extra space here also. Okay.
Okay.
Dot star. Whenever we add this one, definitely we have to add something here as the one string parameter. Okay, string middle name. Okay, once we add this one, the same thing what. So okay, here whatever the data we are passing, it will map it here. From here to it will map it here. From here, we need to send the keys. Getting my point?
Yes.
Now I don't want to have this one. I can remove it. The same way, let me go ahead and remove all these things. You're getting my points, right? I mean, it's a simple.
Yes.
Now again do the same thing. Okay. Then string last name. The same last name can be. This is ABC also we can put. Okay. This last name is there, right? I'm copying. This one ABC also put. The same ABC we have to pass it here. Nothing much. But for the meaningful messages and all, we are getting this one. Now let me close it here. Now this is fine, right?
Yeah.
Now let me go ahead and copy another email address. Okay, another email address where we can just let me copy this one. Just paste it here. Okay, then remove this one. Okay, now whenever we added something right here,
String
email, something email address also we can put. That's not a problem. Okay, now then I can remove this one. This is how we need to do for the everything. Then only we'll get something. Okay, then star something. I have to change. Okay, then whenever we add something here, we need to have string password. Here the same password we have to pass. This is called as the test data passing or parameterization in PDD. Now let me run whether it will work or not. If something is not matching, it will fail it again. Then we have to correct it. If everything is good, it's good. Let it be done. Now see, whenever one step is executed, right? Step by step, it will throw. Now it is throwing some error message. We'll see that. What was the problem? Before that, it's not entered. Okay, and we'll see whether it is a problem with anything. Cucumber core exception step center. Yeah, something is problem. Getting my point?
Okay.
Now see, and user enter first name as Anil in the first name field, but this is not matching. Dot star in the first name field is identified with one parameter something. Okay, we'll see that. Just a copy everything. Okay, we'll analyze what was the problem.
Hello.
Observe, this is the problem. Now if you see, okay, this is the step, it is failed. Point and
Hello, Subbugar, I can't hear you properly.
this feeling. My point, user enters the first name. Hello, now it is fine for you?
Now it is clear. Now it is better.
Now if you see, this is what here it is failing.
Yes, yes.
Okay, and it is saying that some cucumber exception step, user enters first name as this one in the first name field is defined with one parameter at something. User dot something failed Java, but the Gherkin step has arguments. We'll see that. Okay. Now something is not matching with that. We'll see that. Now okay.
Hello.
Background noise is there. That's why.
Okay. Okay. I thought maybe signal problem.
Now dot star is the first name field. Okay, let me go. Okay, let me have a look at it. One second, please.
Okay.
Dot star only we are putting. Dot star only we are put, right? Dot star.
Is any
Dot
space?
one. That's what. Let me do one thing. Its name. Then copy this one. Either paste it here. Okay. Then remove this one. As only one space. Okay. Here as only one space. Okay. Here after this one also only one space. That is good. This is also good. But it is saying that zero argument. First name, it is matching or not? Just we need to copy. One sec, okay. Let me copy it here and paste it. Now, whatever the first name is there, it is matching correctly. Okay.
Yes.
Everything is good actually. Let me check. Okay. If I now come dot bdd steps. The field, okay, the same thing here what we are doing. Scenario outline, it is saying that everything is good only. And user enters something, step definition, Gherkin step has zero argument. Gherkin step. Here, Gherkin steps, here the first name. The same way here we are following the first name. Oh my god. Okay, let me copy paste. Okay. What it says here. String, everything is correct only. Let me run it again, okay?
Okay.
Here bit confusion. I don't know what to do. Everything has to be clear and it's a simple thing. If this first name is not working, then we'll try for the middle name. If everything is not getting the same issue, then we'll try to fix it.
Okay.
Let it be load. It's loading. Yes, the same issue, right? Okay. Now what I will do, wantedly I will disable first name.
We'll comment the first
See,
name.
whenever we stopped here, right? Yeah, it's commented, right? It won't go on, it won't check the first name. The same way, whenever you commented, right, you have to remove this first name.
Okay.
Getting my point?
Yes.
Okay. Then, though the step definition is there, this one, there is no issue. Okay. It's a dummy one. We are not calling from anywhere.
Yeah.
We'll see that. It's running. Then if something is wrong with everything, right, then we have to think about that. We'll see that. Again, same issue.
Yes.
You're getting a point, right?
Yes.
Now we have to correct for everything.
Yes.
Okay. Now Control Z.
Maybe here we need to give.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure. See, whatever the thing we are following, that is as it is working. Okay. Here, star something. Here we are passing the same thing. Star something. We are passing the same. Yes. I want to understand. Star dot something. We are passing the same thing here.
We need to put any dollar symbol.
That's one. Sometimes it's not required. Sometimes it's not required. I mean, it's required and not. That's not the problem actually. Okay, let me put it. But while giving the test steps it is giving, right? Let's say for example, if we observe here, okay, this is what it's given by default. Okay, this is what we put. You're getting my point, right? For this one, if it is giving the dollar symbol and cap symbol, then we need to think. But here not required. Let me put it for example, the cap symbol. Okay, if I put this, what will happen?
Okay.
Cap symbol. First name I will try. Okay, that is not required. At the end, a dollar symbol we have to put.
Yes.
Okay, now as per this one, let me run it again. I don't know where it is failing. The simple step actually. It should work. I don't know what to do. Parameterization and all very easy concept. Again, the same issue. You're getting a point, right?
Yes. Yeah, same.
Now, okay. Now, see, whenever it is created at the end, I mean, first time we have to go ahead and check that.
Or otherwise, we need
Now,
to put
let me
scenario.
copy paste the same. No, scenario we shouldn't put. We have to put always scenario outline.
Okay.
Then only it should work.
Now it's
Let me
showing
Google it,
Anil.
okay?
It's
Not
showing
sure.
Anil here. Subhugaru.
Where I'm not getting.
In one of the browser,
Yeah,
it is showing
where it
Anil's
is?
first name. In one of the browser. No, not here. Go slowly.
No, this
No,
after
no.
this we changed something.
No, not this one. Different one. Different one. No. It is not navigating. Maybe in this page only.
In,
Right?
okay, we'll see that. We'll check the error message, okay? Yes. Middle name only problem. Now Anil Kumar it's
Yeah.
went. Middle name only problem.
Yes. That's what I'm
Got it.
saying.
Let me run it again. Okay, I'm not sure what we need to do. Okay, let me. I didn't check that. Thank you. Let me run it again. We might change something. And I commented something, right? Again, whatever the code change I did, okay, I reverted back. We'll see that.
Okay.
Let it be run. God, still it is reverting the record.
We need to wait.
Change the step, okay, what we did. First name, right? Now, here. Okay, let me run it again. We can observe.
Okay.
Now it is entered, okay, first name. It's went in the middle name. Okay. So what we can do that, we'll add all this dollar symbol and cap symbol.
Okay.
Shouldn't be. I'm not sure why it is happening. This is called as the gap. Shift 6. Okay, the number 6 is there, right? That one.
Yeah.
Okay, at the end dollar symbol. Dollar we already know.
Yeah. Middle name I feel.
Yes, putting one by one. Okay.
Mm.
Now everything is clear, right? We covered everything.
Middle name cap. We have to keep cap of the middle name. In middle name. Yeah.
All right. Now let me run it. I'm not sure why. Without that one also it should come. Okay.
Okay. Then what is the meaning of cap and dollar?
No, it should be map. That's it. Start in a cap will be the starting point, and the dollar should be the end point, ending point of the single step. Nothing much.
Okay.
Maybe we change directly from scenario to scenario outline, right? That may be the cause. Okay, and sometimes, right, without that cap also it will work.
Okay.
Even I have many time experience. Okay, if something is not working, then better to go for cap and dollar.
Okay.
We'll see.
Yeah, it is working now.
Now it is saying his password is invalid. What is that? See, uppercase, one uppercase letter is required. Okay. That's not a problem. If you see, everything looks good now. Okay. Now, let me tell you here. See, while generating some step definition, right? Sometimes it's automatically generated the cap, and sometimes it's not generating. That is one thing. And whenever we are passing some test data, it is not matching. Okay. Yeah. Let's say, for example, you observe here. Okay. For others, it is working. See, this one is not. There is no cap symbol. You're getting my point, right? There is no cap, but it still it is working. But whenever you are passing some test data only, the problem is coming. Okay. What we can do? Better to go for cap symbol and dollar symbol at the end, though it is not creating. See, earlier when I mean this one, right? This is automatically created by the system itself whenever I'm doing that. Getting my point, right?
Okay.
Okay, that is how we need to think. Now, let's say, for example, parameterization also completed today. Mean without how we need to pass the test data from here to there. Now, there is one more change tomorrow we'll do. Okay. Today's session, Harsha will share to you as the recording session, and yesterday's session, right? I'll share through Harsha, and Harsha might share to you. Okay. We'll see that.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I'm stopping it now today. I mean, this is what I have. I mean, for tomorrow we'll see how we can have few more scenarios, and within the same step, how it will be how it will be executed. Many things we'll see. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then bye.
Yeah. Thank you.